In this video we will discuss about third type of operators, that is logical operators. The next type of operator is logical operators. So logical operators are used to form the logical conditions while creating the programs. So logical operators are used to perform logical operations, or you can say to form logical expressions. Okay, that is also correct. Logical operations, okay, or logical expressions which compares multiple relational, you can say simply expressions or conditions, even you can say multiple relational expressions, or you can simply say conditions or multiple expressions. That is also correct. Okay, multiple relational expressions. Which compares multiple relational expressions to and results in, after comparing the multiple expressions, we get results in, okay, and results in Boolean value, that is true or false. I will show you practically. We will be able to understand that how we are comparing the multiple expressions, or you can say relational expressions. So there are three types of logical operators. First one is this, two times you will type this AND symbol. So this type of operator is known as, okay, this single symbol AND symbol is called ampersand sign, and two ampersand signs when you will use, okay, this is the spelling, single and, okay, this name of this symbol is ampersand symbol, or you can say sign, okay, AND symbol, which you call, if you type two times AND, this is called logical AND operator, okay, and there are two parallel lines, okay, this is, okay, this type of operator is known as, let me show you on screen keyboard that from where you can type these types of parallel lines. So look at this, okay, this is the on screen keyboard. Here this is the key. Here you can see a vertical line. You will press shift key and then you will be able to type this single vertical line. So you will type two times this vertical line to make this symbol, that is operator, that is logical OR operator, and last one is sign of exclamation. One time you will type, and this is called logical NOT operator, or you can simply say NOT operator, logical NOT operator, logical NOT. Now we will discuss, and so on using these operators, logical operators, we can combine multiple expressions, okay, or multiple test conditions, you can say, okay, that results in true and false values. And remember this, these operators also results in what type of value? Boolean value, sorry, true and false. So now let us discuss it practically, how to use this. So remember this, last time we had discussed about relational operators. So using relational operators we can form what? Expressions. What is expression? An expression is made up of variables plus symbols and constant value, like this: a plus b divided by 2. Okay, this is the division operator that we had discussed while discussing arithmetic operator. So this is what an expression. Okay, so an expression can be made up of two operands. This is a is called operand, b is also operand, and plus a symbol operator, or you can say. Okay, so this is what an expression. Okay, if you use like c is equal to a plus b, so this is a statement. Okay, this, and after follow that, if you use your terminator, so it becomes a statement. Okay, if you don't use this, if you don't assign the value to the variable, and if you simply write a plus b, so, and this is called an expression. An expression is made up of two or more operands and or and operators along with the constant values. Remember this. Okay, we will discuss again okay, in the upcoming topic what is expression. No need to worry. Okay, so for the timing, just remember an expression is made up of variables, symbols, even the constant values, like 2 is here constant value, and this is the division operator. So this is also an expression. Okay, so now this is also an expression. Here this is operand, this is operator, relational operator, and this is also operand. Operand means the variable that holds the value, okay, or the value on this either side of operator, like 2 plus 5. Okay, so this 2 is operand and 5 is the operand, the values that we want to operate, and plus is the plus symbol will tell what type of operation we are going to perform, like we are going to add numbers. So 2 plus 5, definitely 7. So the values are called operands, you can say, where plus is an operator that tells that what type of operation, arithmetic operation, that you want to perform. Here we are going to perform the logical operation, relational operation, that we are going to compare the two values, we are going to check the non-equality, and this relational operator returns true or false. So this is also an expression, small expression, two operands, and this is the operator. Now the expression, okay, this relational expression, these you can call them relational expressions. Why? Because we are using a relational operator to form this expression, small expression. So now these are also known as relational expression, or you can say test expressions, or you can say expressions. It depends upon you. Meaning is same. Now they return, these relational operators returns Boolean type of value, as well as these logical operators that we have discussed. These are also, they also returns what? Boolean value. Okay, relational operators as well as logical operators returns Boolean type of value. Remember it. And now we will discuss it practically. Now look at these values. A stores, okay, 14, B stores 15. Now this is the first expression. It says that A is not equal to B. Okay, now if you remember, now we are going to use the logical operator. First we will discuss the logical AND. So you can see here I have while discussing the logical operator, I have told you that with which we can compare multiple relational expressions, or you can say conditions. Okay, or you can simply say expressions. So this is the first expression. It checks the non-equality of the values. Now we can combine one more expression, or you can say relational expression, using this logical AND. This is the logical AND operator, and now we will use here that A, okay, A is less than B. Look at here. What does it mean? Logical AND operator is when, in which scenario we will use logical AND operator? If both the expressions, now here we have two expressions. This is the expression 1, or you can say relational expression, and this is the second expression, and we have combined these two expressions, okay, using logical AND operator. Now I will use this value. A stores 14, 14 is not equal to, this is the operation, is 15. Yes, 14 is not equal to 15, so this relational operator will result in what value? True. This will result in true. Why true? Because 14 is not equal to 15, so this relational operator will result in true value. Okay, next is, now this will be checked. Okay, so value of stored in A is 14. 14 is less than 15. Yes, 14 is less than 15, so again this relational operator, that is less than, this will result in true. So what this logical AND says, if both expressions results in true, if both expressions results in true, then the logical AND operator will also result in true value. Okay, if both, since both are resulting in true value, Boolean value, so logical AND will also result in true. Okay, so let us make this as a comment. Since both the expression, this expression and this expression, for these two values, that is 14 and 15, that are stored in variable A and B, okay, these two relational operators are resulting true, so what will happen? The logical AND will also result in true. Both the test condition, or you can say all the test conditions or the expressions, okay, or the logical expressions, these are the logical expressions, okay, these two, they are resulting in what? True value. We can see here. Okay, look at here, 14 is not equal to 15, true. 15 is less than, sorry, 14 is less than 15, true. So both are resulting in true, so logical AND operator will also result in true value, so final resultant will be true. Okay, so remember this, all must result, all the expressions, logical AND operator says that all the expressions that we have used, okay, that must result in true value, then the resultant value, the final resultant returned by this logical AND operator will be true. So if I run this code program, if we run this, so you can see here, we will right click over it and we will click on OK, and you can see true. So this logical AND operator is resulting in true. Why? Because both the expressions, this and this one, is resulting true. Now let us do opposite of it. Now if any one of the expression is false, okay, out of this one, let us make one is false, this one is true. Now I have changed the operator here, equal to, so double equal to, okay, so double equal to, 14 is equivalent to, double equal to, we are going to check the equality. Double equal to operator is used to check the equality. So 14 is equivalent to 15? No. So this will result in false. But logical AND, remember this, logical AND operator will result in true only if both, or you can say all the expressions, okay, or the test expression, or you can say relational expressions, result in which type of value? True value. Then the logical expression will result in, this logical AND will result in true. Only in one scenario it will result in true, if all the expression, or you can say both the expressions, result in true value. If any one is false, then this logical AND operator will result in false value. Since here this first one, this logical relational operator, that is not equal to, okay, this is true, this is resulting in true, and this is resulting in false. So since one is false and one is true, so this logical AND will also result in which value? False. Why false? Because logical AND operator result in true value only in one scenario, that is these expressions, or you can say relational expressions or conditions, must result in true, or you can say both, or you can say all the test expressions must result in true value, then logical AND will result in true. Otherwise, if any one is false, resulting in false value, final resultant will be false. This logical AND will be result in false. So you can see here it will result in false value. Why? Because one of the expression is resulting in true value, another one is false, so final resultant will be false. Okay, look at here, one is false, you can combine one more, 3 and, okay, this is the reason I have used the both or all. Okay, so you can use A is less than B, A is less than B. So this is okay, this expression. Now there are three expressions, okay, or you can say the three test expressions or relational expression. This is the first one. This results in true because value of a and b is not equal. Okay, this results in false because value of a, that is 14, is not equal to 15. If it is okay, it will result in true if 15 is equivalent to 15. And here value of a is 14 is less than 15, so this is true. But final resultant will be again false. Why? Logical AND operator results in true only if, okay, this condition is true. So how either, okay, so to make it true, what we can do, let us change the symbol here. Okay, let us first of all practically, let me show you that it will result in false. Why it will result in false? Because all the three expressions, these expressions or relational expressions are must result in true. Okay, then it will this logical AND will result in true value, otherwise false. So you can see one is false, so ultimate final resultant will be false again. So look at here, false. But if, let us change here symbol to greater than. Okay, greater than, this is the comment, these two are the comments for the explanation. So now I have changed the relational operator greater than equal to, so value stored in a variable, okay, rather than greater than, since 14 is less than, so let us change the operator instead of changing the values. Less than equal to, yes, it is less than, 14 is less than okay, less than or equal to. It is not equal to, but it is less than, so definitely it will result in which value? True. Okay, so now all the test expressions, these, or you can say the relational expressions, or you can say expressions simply, these expressions we are talking about these, and these are resulting in true value. So final resultant, the logical AND operators will also result in true value. These all must be true, remember this. Then the logical AND operator will result in true. All the expressions or the relational expression must result in true value. Then logical AND will result in true value. If anyone is false, final resultant will be false in case of logical AND. Next is logical OR. In case of logical OR, opposite happens. If anyone is true, any one of the expression is resulting in true value, okay, and other two expressions or relational expressions are resulting in false, still it will return true. Opposite happens. So this is the symbol, two parallel lines, logical OR. Logical OR, and we can operate either, you can form two. Let us discuss with first of all two. So either all the test conditions, okay, if any one is true, if any one expression is resulting in true value, okay, then logical OR will result in, if all are true, then it will be true, because what it says, logical OR operator says that if any of the expression, okay, that we have used, if it results in true, then the logical OR operator, this operator, will also result in true. If any one is true, this will result in true value. Okay, so since here all the expressions are resulting in true, so definitely it will result in true. Okay, but now let us make this as a false. Okay, equal to, so it will result definitely in false value because 14 is not equal to 14. And let us change this to greater than. 14 is not greater than this. Okay, a value stored in a is not greater than b, so this will also result in false. Now you can see here this test condition is resulting, or this expression is resulting in, will result in true value. Why? Because this is the relational operator, 14 is not equal to 15, so this relational operator will result in true. Okay, look at this relational operator. In this relational operator, this will result false, this relational operator will result in false. Now these are the expressions. Okay, so logical OR operator says that if any one is true, okay, even if other two are false, okay, then still the logical OR will result in true value. So if we run this code, we can see here two expressions, okay, are resulting false and one is true, so still it will be true. If all are resulting in false, let us suppose, okay, like here we will use this one, A is greater than equal to B, no, so A is not greater than equal to B, okay, so definitely it will result in false. So all the test expressions are resulting in false, okay, so definitely what will be resultant will be false in this case. Okay. Logical OR says that any one should be true, then ultimately what will happen, the logical OR will also result in true value. If any one is true, okay, any one of the expression is resulting in true, the final resultant, the logical OR will also result in true value. Last one is logical NOT. So NOT means not always do opposite, okay, so let us discuss this NOT now. Logical NOT operator. So how to use this NOT? Okay, so A is equal to, okay, A is, let us check here equality first of all, so that you can understand it very easily, that how the logical NOT works. So A is equal to B, value of A, the A value stored in A is 15, yes, value stored in B variable is 15. So definitely when this output statement will execute, what will happen, this relational operator will compare the values for equality, whether the values stored in these two variables are equal or not. So definitely they are equal. Now definitely if we run this program, it will print true on the output terminal. Why? Because both variables stores same value, and logical, this double equal to operator, not logical, sorry, relational double equal to operator will result in true boolean value. This is the result. Now how to use logical NOT operator to change it? Now you will place this in bracket and you will type this sign of exclamation outside it. Now what will happen, this is resulting in true value, but this logical NOT operator will change this true boolean value into false. Okay, so if I run this, okay, we'll click on compile, close, right click on the class icon, from the shortcut menu void main, we will call the main method, and this is click on OK and false. So why false is appearing? Both values are equal, okay, yes, this expression is resulting in true, this relational operator double equal to is resulting in true, okay, why? Because value stored in A is equal to B, but because of this logical NOT, the value true is changed to what? False. Opposite, it does opposite. If it returns, now if we want, if we change the relational operator, A is not equal to B, value stored in A is 15, value stored in B is 15, 15 is not equal to B, sorry, 15 is not equal to 15, 15 is not equal to 15, that is false. So definitely here this relational operator that is not equal to will result in false, but outside it we have used the logical NOT operator, so this false will be changed to true, so final resultant will be what? True. Okay, remember this. So final resultant will be true in this case. Why? Because true will be changed to false, or false will be changed to true. That, okay, what NOT operator does. So in this case it this will print true on the output terminal, okay, but remember this, the logical NOT operator is resulting false, okay, this relational operator is resulting false value, and because outside it we have used the logical NOT, this logical NOT is converting, or okay, resulting in, or you can say resulting in false value. If we are using true, it is converting in false, okay. If it is true, logical NOT will result in false value. If it is false, it will result in true value. Okay. In this scenario, it will result in false. Okay. In this scenario, it will result in, if it is not equal to, it will result in true. If it is equal to, which logical NOT, remember this, will result in opposite. okay, or you can say it does opposite. Okay, if it is true, it will print false if you use logical not operator. This is the logical not operator. In this scenario, false will be printed. Remember this. Why? Because double equal to will return true, and true will be converted by this logical operator as into false. So with this we have covered up the explanation of logical operators.